Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. Welcome, bienvenidos. Keeping in theme with the late planner unboxings, today I'm going to do an Erin Condren haul. These are the latest products that I purchased from Erin Condren. Some of these products are new to me anyway. I don't know if they're new for the website or just new to me. I haven't seen them before, so I'm excited to share them, to take a look at them, and then hopefully this will help you out when you are doing your Erin Condren product purchases. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up because, again, it's late. We're in March. I want to start using this planner right away, and I just want to check out these products because they have been sitting in my apartment for a couple of days. So here is the box that it comes in. Very colorful. I actually love this color. And it says enjoy. And when you open it up, this is the inside. I do an Erin Condren haul pretty much every year. For the last few years, because I do use these planners to help me plan out my content on YouTube and on the blog and on social media, so it is very important for me. I have friends who use this, whose daughters use it for school. I know this would have been super helpful for me during my college years, high school, you name it, and even for work things. It's just a good way to keep you all sorted, which I always need because I'm scatterbrained. Here's the first little sticker. This is one of the things that you can stick onto gifts. It says enjoy and then to from, and then there's a little postcard that says live what you love, and that's the other side right there. Now I'm going to open up the wrapping paper, and this is all really well packaged. It's got good bubble wrap in here so that things aren't moving around. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is my planner, because if you're watching this video, you've probably seen one or two of these planners before. This is my new version. This is the one for 2019. It's a new cover for me. Last year I got the one that looks like gray marble with gold toned spiral. I'm keeping in theme with that gold. If you guys know me, you guys know I love gold. So I do have the gold spiral binder again, and this is a new cover and I really like it. It's very minimal, really nice, black, gold, and gray stripes on it, and then it says Jessica Flores, my name, and then Domesticated Me, because again, I use these planners to help me be organized with all of the content that I produce for Domesticated Me. It has the little ruler here, which I use to just keep my place in the binder itself, in the planner. Some gifts here. Ooh, coupons. It says here, enjoy these samples for yourself or a friend, or to give to a friend. It has compliment cards, friends and family discount, gift labels, coil clip connector. I will list all of the products that I feature in the description box as I normally do. Here's the pouch with all of those extras. Cute. Keep your chin up. Head up gorgeous. Don't ever look back. The future is always forward. Very cute. Here's that coil clip. The stickers, another 2 of those enjoy to from stickers, and then the coupon codes. Now I chose the same exact layout as last year. It's also the same theme, that minimal theme where everything is sort of black, white, gray, and then these light pastel colors, which I really like. I'm not going to go through all the pages because, again, I did that last year and you've probably seen a few, but if you do want to see it, I will link to last year's haul video, which I go section through section, so I will link that again in the description box below. The next thing I got, which is a first for me, is their wellness log, which includes 6 months of weekly spreads, daily workout step and water intake and sleep trackers, weekly food journal, monthly goal and progress spreads, monthly wellness tips, illustrative metallic sticker sheet. So when you open it up, it says the Petite Planner Wellness Log. Small steps lead to big changes. This book belongs to. And then the starting point, the date. Oh, this is for your health. Starting weight, and then measurements, your clothing size, your chest, bicep, thighs, etc. Then wellness goals, setting successful goals, be well, my wellness goals. So this is where you would put that. And then this is your weekly log. So food intake, water intake, calories, workouts, you can put that all in there. And then after each month, you get monthly progress pages, which includes, again, you can log in the date, your weight at the end of the month, your clothing size, your measurements to see what your progress is. So I really like that. I did get a wellness log last year, I think, or 2 years ago, but this is a new version, and I really like that this one has a little folder at the end, at the back of the book, and then it has stickers. Now I think I might have added these, I'm not sure. I will link to everything again, but I love this. It's got like gold foil stickers in it. It says keep moving forward. You got little dumbbells, arrows, yoga mats, gym bags, a little heart with the heart monitor lines. Yeah, it's just super cute. Oh, actually that came included with the book, and then I bought some extra stickers. I didn't realize that there was a sheet of this in this book, but you can never have too many stickers. This is the first time that I'm buying this though. This is the gratitude journal. This includes 6 months of unique daily gratitude prompts, 30-day reflection spread, 6-month reflection spread, 6-month planning spread, illustrated metallic sticker sheet. And it says start each day with a grateful heart. So yes, as I was mentioning, oh, and there's a sticker here that says giving back in gratitude. Alexis Lemonade Stand Foundation for Childhood Cancer. $1 from each gratitude journal purchase will be donated to fund research to cure pediatric cancer. That's amazing. All right, and here is that book. It's so pretty, so cute. And when you open up, it says Petite Planner Gratitude Journal, develop an attitude of gratitude. This book belongs to. And then right away, moments that made me laugh today. Funny moments from today. Unique things about today. And then small victories I had today. Wonderful smells I smelled today. Things I learned today. And so that is pretty much what it says. Oh, no, actually they're all different. Look, people I'm grateful for today. Things I did for myself today. Relaxing moments I had today. Silly things that happened to me today. Delicious foods I ate today. Things I noticed today. Ways I felt strong today. This is wonderful. It's not the same thing over and over again, which I really appreciate. Very cool. Okay, and so at the end of that month, it says 30-day reflection, my favorite moments, ways I've grown, things I've learned, 30-day observations, goals and intentions, things to improve on, looking forward to, next 30-day focus. Very cool. And then at the end of the book, once again, you get a little folder and then stickers. And these are so cute. It says so grateful. There's a little peace sign, a little rainbow heart, exclamation points, good day, awesome, oh, happy day, fun, the best. Very cute. And that's everything in today's Erin Condren haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and share if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And click that little bell icon down below so that you are notified whenever my videos go live. I post every single week, so make sure that you stay tuned. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.